Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can log in to your Elementor and how you can edit buttons and link them to another page on your WordPress Elementor site. So let's get right into it. Now, I don't have any plugins currently because I'm on the free version, and that includes Elementor, so I'm not really able to use it. However, I'll show you guys how it is done on WordPress, and it is pretty much identical in Elementor as well. So I'll just be going over how you can link different buttons to different pages, and that should be pretty much it. Now, what you're going to do is first go ahead and go to your pages. Go to all pages and find out which page you want to link to what. Now, as you can see, I have a couple of drafts. I have a couple of pages over here. So let's say I want to edit my FAQ and I want to link FAQ to the quiz. Now I'm going to go into FAQ, just click edit. And then what we're going to do is, as you can see, we are here and we're going to add a new button. So I'll just add a button. So buttons, and drag it and drop it wherever you want. For example, here. And now we have our button, and let's say link to quiz, and now we have our button. What you need to do is select the button, and by the way, what you want to do is, instead of edit, you want to click on edit with Elementor, and the way you do this is actually a bit different, so I just skipped over that, so let me just do that again. So once you go to your page that you want to link, for example, let's say I want to link the quiz, and the FAQ to the quiz, as I mentioned, we'll open up the view of the FAQ and we're going to open up the view of the quiz. So what we're going to do is, now we're in the view of the FAQ. As you can see currently, it is a bit different. I'm not sure why this is happening, but it is what it is. And now at the top, you see edit site. This is WordPress's own editor. Next to it, you'll see edit with Elementor. So you want to click edit with Elementor. In my case, I'll just edit site. And now in Elementor, you just need to add a button block pretty much the same way as you would add it on WordPress as well. So just go ahead and search for a button and just add it over here somewhere. Now, once you've added your button, and let me just delete this one so that I can actually add a normal button. And I'm not sure why I can't delete it. I'll just delete it like this. And for some reason I can't delete it. I need to delete the entire form, it looks like. So yeah, just add the button as we did previously, but this time in the Elementor view. And for some reason it doesn't want to add itself. So let's try this again. I'm not sure why it doesn't want to work. So buttons, and there we go finally. So let's say link to quiz. And now if you're in the Elementor editor, by just clicking on the button, you'll get a menu to the left. In my case, I don't have Elementor, so I'm just going to link it like this. And what you want to do is go to the page you want to link and then fetch the URL from the top. Just copy it over. And in the left toolbar in Elementor, you will see a link to field. And just in there, you want to enter the link. Now, for your site, you can just edit and enter the URL slug, which is just this end after your site URL. But if you want to link it to another site page on another site, you can just put in the entire URL. And yeah, as you can see, just in the left menu, you want to do that and click link, and that should be it. Again, just click on the button and you will get a different sort of menu than you would in WordPress, but it's going to be pretty much identical. But yeah, that should be pretty much it. And that's all you need to do. And then just click save and you're pretty much done with everything. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.